Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my mosin nagant right here. So this is folded the same way as my m91 here. So you can check that out as well. And check out my other video too. And please consider subscribing as well, okay? So here it is. Yeah, it's a pretty simple model. You can make a lot of them, I guess, if you want to make like an army or so. So yeah, first you need a full sheet of A4 paper, or this is a quarter size paper. You can use this as well. So you want to fold it in half, just like this. And make sure the center line is on the bottom right here. You can see. And you want to fold up these two bottom corners, okay? So you want to fold this side edge to this top edge here, okay? So bring this corner up. And same thing on this side as well. So you want to fold this side edge to this top edge here, okay? And now you want to unfold those two steps, and then you want to open this up and fold this crease line up. So you want to push in this corner and fold this right up like so, okay? Then you want to do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open this up and fold this corner right up, okay? Using the crease line that we just folded. And now you see this shorter edge right here. You want to fold that right up to this top edge here, okay? So fold that right up there. And now you're going to sink this inside, okay? So you want to unfold that step, and you want to open up that area right here, which is the whole model here. And you see that smaller rectangle in the middle, and you see all those crease lines right here. You're going to fold up all that crease line, okay? Just like so. And now you see that triangle right here. So you're gonna fold down on the center, and you're gonna start out with that triangle. So you're gonna fold that triangle down. Yeah. And now same thing on the other side as well. So fold that triangle down and fold the whole model down like so, okay? And spin this around so that the longer edge, you see that longer edge right here, is facing towards you, and the shorter edge is facing away from you, okay? So it should look like this. And now you want to take this bottom piece right here and fold that towards the back like this. So of course it's going to be the front of the gun right here, and this is going to be the back of the gun. Okay, fold that right across towards the back. And now you want to take this top piece right here and fold that forward like so. So it should look like this. Okay, and now you see this back piece right here. You want to fold in this triangle piece. Okay, so you're going to first pre-crease it. So you see that corner right there. You're going to fold this triangle where that corner is, and make sure this edge lines up with the edge behind. Then you're going to unfold right there. Then you're going to open up this pocket right here and fold that right inside like so. Okay, and now you're going to fold this whole model in half, so make sure it looks like this. You're going to fold that whole thing in half. Okay, so it should look like this. And now you want to take this top piece right here and fold it all the way up till the end like this. And make sure it's in the same direction. So you see that slant, it should be facing towards the back. Okay, and the center crease line as well should be facing backwards. Okay, and now you want to flip it over to the back side, and you see this bottom piece right here. So if you look here, this bottom piece, you want to fold it. You want to fold this down until this top corner touches the bottom edge. Okay, and make a crease here so you can see if it's even or not. Okay, so fold this down until that corner touches the bottom edge. Okay, just like this. Alright, and now you see where this corner is right there. You want to fold this front portion all the way up to where that corner is. Okay, so start from here and kind of drag this whole thing up like so. Make sure it's in the same direction. So you see this front edge right here should be facing forward, and that slant should be also facing forward. Okay, and now you want to fold a little bit of this edge, and at the same time you want to kind of fold this whole thing downward. Okay, and also you want to fold this edge about third way up. Okay, about in thirds. Okay, so fold this down. There's a little bit of twist there, and fold this edge in thirds. Okay, you see. Just like that. Let me push this down a little bit. Yep, so it should look something like this. Okay, and now you want to flip it over to the front of the gun right here. It's not even. Let me try. Okay, and now you see this piece right here, this top piece leaning against this edge right here. You want to fold this whole thing back like so. So this is going to be the sight right here. And then you want to fold this triangle in half. So fold that in half. And now we want to open up this pocket right here. And fold that down. Okay. Like so. And then you want to fold this two edge right here to the center line right here, this shorter edge. Okay, then you want to unfold and bring this whole bottom side up. So make a crease line across the top of the crease line right there. Like that. Then you want to fold the side crease line that we just made and fold that piece all the way down. Okay. And then you want to take this point right here and fold it all the way down to the bottom. Okay. Then you want to fold this whole thing in half, just like that. And now you want to open up this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that all the way down, just like that, and fold it in half. Like that. And then you want to take this two corners right here and put it into these pockets. So you want to open up this pocket right here, take the front one, put it in there, and open up this back pocket right here and fold the other one in there. Kind of push it down and tuck it in there really nicely. And now you want to zigzag fold right here for the stock. So you see where the sight was, where the sight is right here. There's a thicker part right there. So you want to bring this whole thing back. Like so, and fold it back out again. This. And then you see that top corner right there. Fold it down and fold the edge until the middle of the stock. Okay. And same thing here, but fold it all the way down to this corner. Okay, so fold that corner in and fold that edge all the way to the bottom. Okay, and now you want to fold this front edge up to this bottom edge here. So bring this whole thing back like so. And you want to flip it over to the back side, and you want to fold this triangle in half. Okay, so bring this front edge to the bottom of the gun. Okay, so fold that triangle in half to make the magazine. Then you see this back triangle right here, leaning against this edge. You want to fold that triangle right inside, just like that. And you want to fold it back to the front. This, and you kind of want to open this up a little bit, fold that triangle inside, and now you see this point right there. You want to fold that right into this space here. So you want this smaller triangle behind this piece here. This piece. Okay, so make a little oval shape like that, and tuck that triangle right in there, and kind of fold that down. Okay, so that point is tucked into that triangle right there, as you can see. If you look in the back side, and now turn to the back side again, and you want to fold in this corner right here to make that belly of the gun. So kind of want to open up this pocket just a little bit, and then sort of squish it down. It's going to be a little thick, so just like that, kind of squish it in a little bit. Okay, to make the belly. And then to make the barrel, see that triangle in the front, you want to fold that back like that, and fold this triangle in half. Like pinch it. Okay, just like that. And then pinch the end to make the front sight. Okay. And here is my mosin nagant. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.